type of data, and if I showcase it to you, profile started successfully. This is the whole array, accepted encoding, launcher, MLXYT, WebSockets, cookies, data undefined, status, and this is how you script all that. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lokesh, and you are watching Loki Creates, where I share numerous tips, tricks, insights, updates from all around AI industry and different platforms and codes of different building projects. So today, I'm going to discuss about platform. Basically, as a student, we have to go to different websites. Sometimes most of the websites are not accessible, and for especially content creators, we have to search for different type of content pieces, different types of things, assets, and for video editing softwares, which are sometimes banned in our different countries. As here in India, CapCut is banned in India. So, and of course, in AI, there are different automations that requires anti-pass and which have to pass the bots and anti-detect agents, which blocks the bots scraping data through internet. So I'm going to share a platform through which you can bypass any type of anti-detection system using AI integrated environment. You can deploy all your different proxy profiles, and you can do much more than that. So without further ado, let's get started. MultiLogin, a bypass website which avoid bans and restrictions to any website. It gives you integrated AI software inbuilt in the platform through which you can create different proxy profiles and different proxies, IPs through AI and monitor them and launch them, automating the whole environment. You can automate actually scraping data through Facebook, through Instagram, through any other social channel. You can automate different searching queries on the browser itself. So multiple account management, action automating on websites, premium residential proxies. As you can say, customize with 20 plus settings or use auto match fingerprint. Comes with built-in high quality residential proxies, headless browser movements, mobile anti-detect, web automation using libraries like Selenium, Puppeteer, Cheerio, and different more. It can also, yes, it has its own open API implementation, whole API suite in which you get different supports of different languages. You get support of C, Node.js, Python, JavaScript, Node.js, different properties and different calls. I will link all the links in the description below. You can check it out. It has airdrops also, farming, Solana airdrop, crypto airdrop, layer zero, web scraping, knowledge base, API documentation. So this is the whole scenario. The whole platform is all about, as you can see, multi-account management, social media marketing, online reputation management, drop shipping and e-commerce. If I go to drop shipping and e-commerce, you will see that it can actually give you whole integrated environment. You can script product information, seller information. You can compare different products from different marketplaces and create a whole database of products in which it will be easy to say, like easy to navigate and evaluate which product is going on rise and which is not, what is the pricing and what pricing we should keep. So all these things, also you can store your data, you can navigate to database anonymously and securely, so that you can run your operations. Basically, you can manage different account informations. You can create different drop shipping accounts across different multiple sites, even if that website is not available in your country. As you can see, bot detection, team collaboration, data sync over cloud, fingerprint adjustment, headless browsers, playwright residential, rotating IP, support for all proxy types. These are their awarded badges. Plan dropping all the FAQs, great support team, great customer service. They get in touch with you almost like instantly if you need anything. As I was going through this, and now let me show you the plan. Basically, you have to click on view plans here, and then you have to select a plan. Right now, a Black Friday sale is going, but so you are going to get something special. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So these are all the plans: starter, solo, team, custom, and you get different subscription incentives according to the plans. These are all the comparisons. You can just check them out. I would suggest to go for as a solo plan with a yearly paid subscription, because you can get user profile will manage all your different platforms on e-commerce platforms, different automation services, and you get 5 GB of multiple proxy. And if you are a team of, let's say, 2 to 10 people, then I would suggest go for a team plan for an yearly subscription, because it will give you an infinite team collaboration support up to 10 GB of proxy traffic support, which can be scaled via contact to their customer service and the backend team. Basically, customer service team will handle your storage and will adjust it according to it. You get boosted speed improvements, and all type of payment is supported. You can even pay it in this platform using your crypto. Yes, you can do crypto payments itself, so it is totally secure and totally validated. Now let's go to profiles. Basically, this is the platform. After you set up the whole take the whole subscription, get your credentials set, you will visit this page. Now here you can see, as if I click type AI command, I can show you that here are some AI quick commands. Launch 3 quick profiles with proxies from US, Germany, Italy, get SF text. As you will click it, it will launch these profiles you have created. You can also create different profiles. You can create quick groups. You have different API operations. If I show you on this documentation page, you can actually automate your whole browser using their MultiLogin X API suite, which supports Node.js, JavaScript, C, Python, Ruby, Rust, many proxies, and many languages. It is a launcher. You can just go through it and you can check the whole. But of course, I know this is a lot to take in. So I have prepared a demo for it. Yes, we will going to scrape LinkedIn data using multi-login API anonymously and bypass all the LinkedIn bot detection system. So stay tuned till the end of this video. First, let's go through the setup environment. So here you come here. This is the main dashboard. First, you have to click on this agent. It will give you a different options. As if I click here and let us cross this. Let us, this is agent connected. Right, to disconnect it, right click the multi-login X icon and system and select quit. This is the icon, I guess. Okay, log out. This is the icon. Profile and group list. You can now shift to select multiple items. Okay, this is edit, clone, cookie import, move to group, move to trash bin, edit. Right click on the multi-login X icon in the system tray. Here is this. If I click on it, nothing happens. If I click on it, nothing happens. I cannot quick it. Okay, so what I will do is I will show you how to create a profile first. This is the new profile. You come here, you just select the name, the environment, country, IP, WebSockets, protocol. If you want to have it in your operating system, local operating system, cloud server, Linux. So these are all, you can say, uh, specifications. Unassigned, you can go to location and you can select different locations. And this is the advanced features. You can configure the whole proxy. I'm keeping it just at the default, and I can click create profile. Now it will create another profile. And now if I click on this launch, it will launch this proxy and you will be able to see it on the browser. Code download in progress. Try again. Once the progress is completed, downloading mimic 13.6 browser code. It will start downloading the browser code. I'm stopping it here because I'm already running a browser core. I need to, okay, first it will complete it and then it will be able to generate it. So we will come back after the browser core has been set up, and I will show you how to set up the agent and connect it with your local system. And then we will move forward for the LinkedIn data part. So stay tuned. Let's get, just have to click on connect agent. As you will connect, the agent is connected, and then you can launch this profile. And now we will move forward to the interesting part. An interesting part of this video. So here it is the script which uses multi-login login pass X API to scrape data from different platform here of LinkedIn basically. So first, this script is not for showcasing to do some violation of a law. It is just to showcase you how you can use a certain use case. Here I have used these libraries, and then this is the token part where you just have to get folder ID, profile ID from your, you can say, the profile page. In the networks tab, you will get the profile ID and the folder ID. I will, if you are not able to find then please let me know in the comments below. I will share a separate tutorial on how to craft this script and integrate multi-login API into this platform so you can scrape different platforms. Here is a simple array which I have taken just for the scraping the data, and this is normally taking name, the job title, and the company location. I have manually here given the link so that it is easy for me to showcase you. Here you can actually give it a login access or any kind of profile link or a post link which you want to scrape, and then just put their attributes in it. This is in JavaScript, so it is easy. And here it downloads it into the CSV file and gives you all the outputs. Now there are two ways to actually access LinkedIn: via login by your username and password as we do normally, and other part is via cookies. You can actually extract the cookies here and you can place a file named LinkedIn underscore cookies the JSON file where it can access via cookies directly, so you don't have to actually do it. This is the whole scenario. Now let us just run this and let us see what happens. I hope you are able to see that it is now running. Let me just the window so you can actually see what's going on behind the scenes. Showcase you. Yes, as you can see, this is the LinkedIn page. It is routing to this LinkedIn page automatically, and it is routing to the platform, and now it has opened it automatically. This is the IP. It will give you a public IP address so that you can verify it on your public domain, and it has automatically opened it. Let us go what kind of data it has scraped for us. It has taken different type of data, and if I showcase it to you, profile started successfully. This is the whole array: accepted encoding, launcher, MLXYT, WebSockets, cookies, data undefined, status, and this is how you scrape all the data through LinkedIn. This is just a sample use case, and because of timeout, if it already times out automatically if it takes too long, so you can minimize and optimize it more. I hope this has been useful for you, how you can actually use anti-detect browsers, and you, as you saw, LinkedIn violates and stops any kind of bots or any kind of excessive spamming. Implemented or executed on the platform, but it just as easily and quickly bypassed every detection system and scraped the whole attributes which I wanted. So this is basically the whole scenario. You can do this for different platforms. You can do this for Facebook, Instagram, Meta, even OnlyFans. Yes, you can do it. And YouTube and Shopify store, you can actually scrape product details through Shopify stores and WooCommerce and many other third-party platforms. So if you want to know more about this script or how to craft this script, please let me know in the comments below. I will shoot a separate video tutorial on this, how to craft these kinds of scripts so you can integrate multi-login login parsec API interface into this platform and use it locally to build such kind of browser automations. So let's move forward. So this was the whole implementation. I have been using this platform into different automation flows, which can bypass literally any platform, any social media channel. It also helps me to manage my all social media accounts to different browsers and bypasses every bot spamming, and I can integrate it into a simple workflow. So it helps me a lot these days. And since this platform offers different information, different API suites, I can actually literally code and run locally my own automation scripts and distribute it among different social channels via their own multi-login API. I This has been so useful for me that I wanted you people to actually have a implementation of it on your own end. So I talked to them and I've gotten you a special 30% discount via the coupon code is already in the description below. You can check it out, play around with it, have fun, and build different kind of large scale automations and be secure. Till then, keep hustling, keep smiling. Bye bye.